Welcome back, students. Now we're going to be doing dynamics, question 41 to question 45. Let's start. Question 41. The diagram shows a satellite S traveling at a constant speed in a circular orbit around a planet P. Circular orbit suggests that ये, this is obeying the laws of centripetal force because any object that moves in a circular path is subjected to centripetal force. So let's read the rest of the question. Which statement is correct? A. The resultant force on the satellite is zero. Resultant force zero नहीं हो सकता because centripetal force exists and is towards the center, as the name suggests. B. The resultant force on the satellite is in direction B. No, it's not. The resultant force on the satellite is in direction C. No. Velocity की direction है in the direction C, not the force. अच्छा, D. The resultant force on the satellite is in the direction D. That is the right answer because, as the name suggests, centripetal force is directed towards the center. So D is the right answer. Question 42. The minimum braking distance for a car is tested on a dry road. The test is then repeated on a wet road. What happens to the braking distance and to the frictional force between the tires and the road? अच्छा, so for example, आप एक ड्राई रोड पे जा रहे हो और आप एक वेट रोड पे जा रहे हो द मेन डिफरेंस इज द वाटर, राइट? एंड द वाटर एक्ट्स एज अ लुब्रिकेंट. अगर आप एक वेट रोड पे होगे तो इट वुड बी easier to slide than on a dry road because the friction is more. Like for example, आप अपने हाथों पे you apply lotion, right? If you apply lotion, your hands become smoother, right? So that's the same case with the road. If you apply water on the road, the frictional force will decrease, and therefore the frictional force decrease होती है तब braking distance increase होगा, right? So C is the right answer. इसकी मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दे देता हूँ. जब आप यूजुअली जब बारिश होती है और आप बाहर जाते हो या गाड़ी पे जाते हो या जैसे मर्जी जाते हो, मामा आपको जरूर कहती है कि आहिस्ता चलाओ, right? Because the braking force isn't as much as it used to be on a dry road. So C is the right answer. 43. The planet in the solar system orbits the sun. Which statement is correct? Acha. A. There is a force on each planet away from the sun. Not right. B. There is a force on each planet in the direction in which it travels. Again, not right. There is a force on each planet opposite to the direction in which it travels. Not right. D. There is a force on each planet towards the sun. This is the right option. I don't think this question requires a lot of explanation, so I'll just move on. Question 44. A force of 1600 newtons accelerates a car of mass 800 kilograms from rest. What is the car's acceleration and its velocity after 4 seconds? अच्छा, हम एक न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ अप्लाई करेंगे. F is equals to ma, which is 1600 is equals to mass into acceleration. Mass is 800 kilograms into a, which we have to find out. अच्छा, अगर हम यहाँ 800 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो यहाँ जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So that would leave us with 2 meters per second square is the acceleration, right? 2 meters per second square is the acceleration. If the acceleration is for 4 seconds, and so what would the velocity be? If the same acceleration is for 4 seconds, just multiply the acceleration with the time and you'll get the velocity, which is 8. D is the right answer. Let's move on. Question 45. Which diagram shows the addition of the 4 Newton force and the 3 Newton force? अच्छा जी, इसमें ना हेड टू टेल मेथड यूज हो रहा है. तो the tail of the first vector joins to the head of the second vector, right? So this is the right answer. अगर दूसरों में देख लें, उसकी it's coming out from the head to the tail, right? So that's the wrong answer. It has to go from the first vector's tail to the second vector's head. Same here. This is not correct. So this is the right answer. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Allah Hafiz.